Long holidays have arrived. The Itera campus and boarding houses suddenly become quiet. For students, this is a time to rest. But for thieves, this silence is a golden opportunity. Motorcycles left unattended for weeks become easy targets. We need a guardian system that never sleeps, one that instantly reports when your motorcycle is touched. Introducing MALINGKAPOK. In the midst of increasingly complex alarm systems, what is the novelty of MALINGKAPOK?
Our novelty lies in reliability system-based IoT, triggered by vibration, and we design extremely straightforward. No matter whatever your motorcycle is move, lift, or it's stand, or ignition tempered with as long, even slightly movement, sensor may immediately detect it's a threat. This system sends real notification without delay, ensuring you are always connected with your asset. As you haven't seen, our system works optimally from the commercial value perspective. Focusing on high precision vibration sensor allow us to keep a production cost very low, making a selling price highly affordable for students.
This is the most rational and affordable solution to protect assets worth millions of rupiah.
As a commitment to innovation protection, MALINGKAPOK has obtained official intellectual property right (IPR) and HAKE certification for our motion detection security system design.
Leave your motorcycle with peace of mind during holidays. Let MALINGKAPOK guard it 24/7.
Silence is not longer a threat.
MALINGKAPOK, won't touch, regret forever.